Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, my name is Rutuja Uttekar and I'm studying in third year of Diploma in Computer Engineering. So we have participated in project-based learning activity and my group members are Sriram Pawar, Dhruti Ganjekar and Kanchan Zamadar, and we have done a project on topic that is Virtual Private Network of AJP, and we are guided by Professor Shakil Tamboli sir.
Hello, my name is Dhruti Ganjekar and I'm pursuing final year of Computer Diploma at Zeal Education Society, and we have participated in a project-based learning activity, and we are making project on Virtual Private Network of Advanced Java Programming. So here is our introduction. A virtual private network is a type of private network that uses public telecommunication such as internet instead of leads line to communicate. A data network that utilizes a portion of a shared public network to extend a customer's private network became popular as more as employees worked in a remote locations.
So here is our project abstract. A virtual private network VPN extends a private network across a public network and enables users to send or receive data across shared or public networks as if their computing devices were directly connected to the private network. The benefits of a VPN include increases of functionality, security, and management of the private network. It provides access to resources inaccessible on the public network, and it is typically used for telecommunicating workers. Encryption is common, although not an inherent part of VPN connection. A VPN is created by establishing a virtual point-to-point connection through the use of dedicated circuits or with tunneling protocols over existing network. A VPN available from the public internet can provide some of the benefits of wide area network (WAN). From a user perspective, the resources available within the private network can be accessed remotely. So here you can see types of virtual private network (VPN) and its protocols. Remote access VPN. A remote access VPN permits a user to connect a private network and access all its services and resources remotely. The connection between the user and the private network occurs through the internet, and the connection is secure and private. Remote access VPN is useful for home users and business users both. An employee of a company, while he/she is out of station, uses a VPN to connect to his/her company's private network and remotely access files and resources on the private network. Private users of home users of VPN primarily use VPN services to bypass regional restrictions on the internet and access blocked websites. Users aware of internet security also use VPN services to enhance their internet security and privacy. Site-to-site VPN. And the site-to-site VPN is also called as router-to-router VPN and is commonly used in large companies. Companies or organizations with branch offices in different locations use site-to-site VPN network to connect network of one office location to the network of another office location. So here we can see the third type of virtual private network, and it is intranet-based VPN. When several offices of same company are connected using site-to-site VPN type, it is called as intranet-based VPN. And the second one is extranet-based VPN. When companies use site-to-site VPN type of connect to office of another company, it is called extranet-based VPN. So basically, site-to-site VPN create an imaginary bridge between the networks to geographically distant offices and connect them through the internet and sustain a secure and private communication between network.
So here is our presentation, and thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Kanchan Zamadar and we are in our desktop window and I have created a folder for writing a JavaScript code using Notepad and I have saved it as on vpn.js and we are opening it by double click on the VPN folder, and this is our code here for creating VPN using the JavaScript and HTML, and we have started our code with the exclamation mark doctype HTML tag. Then we have created the head of the code and content tag using the meta HTTP equivalent. Using the title tag gave a VPN provider's name.link and rel for applying the style sheets. And our script type is JavaScript, so I have provided source parameters. Then I have used the link href for making Google Apps for providing font to our text and meta name, and then close the head tag. In body tag I have provided div parameters, and then I have used the strong tag for making our text bold and more pronouns. Then image source, UL tag and li tag, and then span tag. I have applied make order request method for input one click, and then I have created the field shell tags and try to catch the blocks for push function. In that the track maps and track links returns the value. Now we can run our code in the Google Home for our output, and we have got our expected output. We have successfully connected with our virtual private network. Here we can see the VPN has been connected. Now who needs a VPN and why? VPN is a virtual private network known as one of the most reliable methods of protecting privacy online, and there are free and paid VPN services with the varying degree of equality, but nonetheless they provide a decent level of data security and privacy. Partly the popularity of VPN has been driven by media that have covered many security scandals over the recent years. Now, should you buy a VPN or find a free one? Free or very cheap VPN services do exist, but usually they provide just a semblance of protection. They may be too slow, lack of encryptions and services in other countries, or some other important options. Fortunately, buying a good VPN services with a full functionality is not as expensive as you might think. Even the top notch, the fastest VPN services have very affordable price tags, usually several dollars a month. A full year usually gives a maximum discount, but this would be very useful for everyone who does businesses on the web, works with email heavily and loves social networking. So everyone, this is our virtual private network project created using the JavaScript language of Subject Advanced Java Programming. Hope you all like it. Thank you.